Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery drain after iOS 27 update. If your iPhone battery is draining quickly after updating to iOS 27, don't worry. What you need to do is, you need to restart your iPhone and make sure all your apps are updated to the App Store. And next you can go to your setting app. And over here, scroll a bit down until you find this battery icon and tap on the battery there. To check which apps are using the most power. You can also reduce battery usage by lowering the screen brightness. You can go to your notifications bar and you can slightly lower the brightness as well. And if the battery drain continues for several days, you can check for additional iOS updates. And these steps usually help improve battery life and fix battery drain issues after an iOS 27 update. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you.